All right, guys, Math Chat 35. I can't believe we are already on our 35th Math Chat. That's kind of crazy to me. All right, we're going to go ahead and take a look and a peek at everything here, and hopefully you guys will be able to soar on this one independently. Algebraic thinking. What do you notice about the X and Y patterns? So you're going to look at the pattern on top. So from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, what is happening between each one of these digits in the pattern? Okay. And then what is happening between the Y pattern below, the 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, and 2? What's happening between each one of these consecutive numbers in the pattern? Once you figure out what's going on and what pattern rule is being applied, I want you to type down what it is you're noticing right in here. Base 10 numbers, you are going to write each one of these numbers in standard form. Standard form is traditional math form of a number that's presented to you. So, for example, if I have 372 thousandths, that means I'm going to have 372 thousandths, which means it's going to be a decimal. So I'm going to have 0.372. So 372 thousandths. So you're going to do that for 6 and 9 hundredths, 5,301 and 96 thousandths. Quick tip, the word and means a decimal. So when you see and, you know there's going to be a decimal place or a decimal point put into the number value. Solving addition, or can't even talk. Solving multiplications of fractions. You're going to multiply across numerators and denominators. It wouldn't be Mrs. Duncan's math chat without me adding in my multiplying with fractions video that I made in the past. I love that video. Down here for measurement and data, you are going to do some more converting between gallons, cups, and quarts and pints. I have also added in that King Gallon video that you're probably really tired of watching by now, but hopefully it's helpful for you. And type in how many cups are in a gallon, or how many cups are in 4 gallons, how many gallons is 96 cups, etc. Down here for geometry, we had never got to this point in our math this year. This is actually module 6 stuff, but I feel you guys should be able to get the handle on it. It is plotting points onto a grid. So if you look, these are called coordinates, the values that are in my parentheses here. And you're going to use this dot to plot each one of these coordinates onto this grid. It's really similar to the game Battleship. So what you're going to do is you're always going to start with, this is called an x-axis, and then up top here is called a y-axis. X is bottom, y is top. The first number in your coordinate is always going to be your x. The second one is going to be your y. So if you have 6, 7, that means starting with x, I'm going to go over 6 spots on my x. Once I'm over 6, then I need to go up 7 on my y. So I'm at 6 on my x. On this 6x, I need to go up 7 on my y. So right where my cursor is pointed, oopsies, right here, 6, 7 is the plot that I want to, the point I want to plot. So I'm going to grab this dot right here and I'm going to pull it over. I'm going up 6, or over 6, up 7, and right there is my point. Okay, I'll do a couple more with you since this is new. I'll do 8, 4. You start with 8 on your x-axis and then you go to 4 on your y. So starting at 0, I'm going to go over 8 and then I'm going to go up 4, which is going to be right here. So I'm going to take my dot and I'm going to pull it over up, or over 8, up 4. And there is my point. You're going to continue plotting each one of these points for me. I did the first 2, 6, 7, and 8, 4. You're going to do the rest of these for me, so you're going to have a bunch of points plotted on your grid. All right, guys, that's Math Chat 35. Good luck.